Yo, good morning. Good morning. Yo, what up, Sud? KDP's in the house. Richard, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. Dude, I honestly think it's just playing the freaking range today. Where's the turkey? I got to go to my dad's house. Turkey's at my dad's. I'm not no one's coming over my house. I'm going to my dad's house around. Hopefully, I leave here around noon, 1 o'clock. Oh, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna buy every dip, but I do think at some point it pops. The jive turkey. I do think at some point it pops. The only reason I'm thinking that is this is what the hourly chart looks like, and I know it looks like shit because of lack of volume. But I think on a normal night, you would have had this, and then this candle, we would have broken to the top. I think at some point you see 377 today. Yo, the degenerates of degenerates are trading today. That is true. That's fucking. I gotta put my football picks in today. Let's see if I can do that on here, actually. I'm trying to think who I even use. I think I use Caesars. Let's see if I can get it on my app. Dude, I don't really gamble at all. But what up, Sean? Yo, definitely. Let's see. Oh shit, I'm in. I got money to bet too. I got some money in here. All right, we're going NFL. Yo, I appreciate it, Design Knob. I appreciate it. Oh, it's good seeing everybody this morning. Everybody getting their coffee on? Yo, I think it's cold as shit outside, Knob, too. I haven't been outside yet. Is it you that said you were doing a brisket also? I saw Matt was doing one. Yo, what up, 420? I'll tell you what, before we even get into the day, I probably would not trade the quads today, only because how fucking slow it's going. I feel like it's going to be stuck one way or another. Yeah. All right, what are we betting on? What are we betting on today? I'm taking Lions, Chiefs, and Ravens. Single bets. Straight bets. And we're gonna do what the fuck just happened? Bro, I randomly just clicked the button. I randomly placed a bet. I don't even know what the fuck I did. I'm just going to have to do it one by one. All right, we're in it for all right. Chiefs, Lions, Chiefs, and Ravens. We're good. We're set. Done. Yeah, I'm truly at home on Clay. He makes you feel so welcome. He saves the guest room for you. So far, 11. Oh, man. I think we're gonna dip at open, and then they're gonna bring it up. I think you're gonna dip into like this range, which is actually the top of the orb and shit from previous session. I think we're gonna go right in here, and then they're gonna bring it up. Dude, if I could pass this Lucid account on Thanksgiving Day, I'd be so happy. Yo, he's paid the new free candy sign. Bro, no windows on that van. I can tell you that. That's straight no windows. Yo, what up, Corey? Happy Thanksgiving. So who's actually cooking something in this room? Wait, 420. You're over in California? For whatever reason, I thought you were in Florida. What up, Adam? You cooking any turkey? If you're not cooking turkey, are you cook anyone in here cooking anything? Turkey's been on the smoker since 5:30. I'm trying to think. So what do you gotta smoke that for like 11 hours, I guess? Using a green egg or like a Masterbuilt or a Traeger? What up, AD? Happy Thanksgiving. I have the cheat smoker. I got the Masterbuilt electric one. What up, investors? Smoking brisket since 5 p.m. yesterday. Yeah. A couple other people were too, man. Dude, it's every time I've smoked brisket, it's come out dry. I've done it twice, and I was like, I'm never doing this shit again. I just don't have the knack or whatever it is. It comes out so good, though. Dude, you know what I had? Man, I had the best fucking turkey ever. So one year I had to be in Florida so I had a wedding to go to like Tuesday of Thanksgiving week, and then I stayed down there for a work thing. This is like many years ago. And I stayed at my friend's house in Florida for Thanksgiving. And I had the best turkey I ever had. He like brined it. So he made two. He like brined the one. And then he like had a pan with like fucking butter on it or some shit like that. It was like a butter brine turkey. It was freaking amazing. And it was like the pan had a bunch of liquid in it. So it was like evaporating and bubbling into the fucking turkey all day. It was so good. I mean, it was probably the most unhealthy thing I've ever had, but it was so good. Yeah, it's super low volume. A commando grill? The fuck? What's a commando grill? Oh, it's like the green egg. I'm guessing it uses gas, right? No Thanksgiving. So what do you? It's just a normal day, I guess, right? Just a normal day in the neighborhood. Do they use gas or electric on this thing? Charcoal? I'm out. I'm not buying charcoals. Dude, there's a level of like, I need it to be easy as well. Nah, man. I need. That's why I have an electric smoker, because I plug that shit in. I dump a bunch of wood in there, and I could just leave. What up, Punisher? Get the likes up. Smash the old like button. Smash the old like button.
Order filled.
Smash the old like button. Take this for a couple bucks.
Order filled.
Smash. Charcoal gives the extra smoke. I know, but now I got to go buy charcoal and worry if I'm going to run out of charcoal. It's just another thing to do. I like to just turn on the grill and get it rolling. Yeah, well, the electric smoker burns the wood, but like I can just set it at a temperature and leave. Yo, I'll run my smoker all like I'll just go out there every hour or two and dump new wood in there. Yo, Scammer Cove wants to be friends with everybody in Discord. Oh, that's because it probably is like the same thing as like if you heat your house with one of those fireplace inserts, it probably uses very little air, so it burns super slow. What if I just went commando for the stream? Is that the same? For the stream. I'm just simply trying to play the ranges here. Like Donald Duck. The best is when I ate duck burgers while we were eating them. I went and got my kids Donald Duck stuffed animal, and I was like, this is what you're eating right now. The golden eagle has landed. What's up, man? Dude, I can't wait to get that turkey stuffing, man. I want that. I love to eat the stuffing that's been freaking right up that turkey's ass for at least 5 hours. Get that ass stuffing. Love that. Gravy on that bitch. Some turkey with some sweet potatoes. Happy Thanksgiving. What up, Martin? Just trying to play the little range and hang out, have some fun, shoot the shit. You know? If you like ass stuff and wait till you hear about Wendy's dumpsters, yo. It's just the stuffing gets so much better up in the turkey. I don't know how my dad's making it though. There's no dude. Who's gonna watch a bunch of turkey frying videos tomorrow? Dude, I'm gonna scroll and watch all the people that are dropping turkeys into their fucking fryer, wet, frozen turkey, or the guy didn't check the oil enough, so when he dumps the turkey, the oil overflows. Yo, those videos are fucking wild. Dude, that's gonna be all on my fucking feed. Dude, people frying turkeys for the first time in the garage. Yo, whatever you do, I wouldn't fry a turkey in a garage. Dude, are they gonna... I use an oilless fryer. I don't even know how that works. How does that work? Is it like air frying your turkey? Yo, you know what's funny, Knob? Is my wife wanted to go one year. And I was like, are you fucking kidding me? Like, you want to wake up on Thanksgiving Day at like 4 a.m, bring some kids over there, and just no way. I'm in the north, vibe. I'm up in New York. Everybody I know does it in their like driveway or backyard. Yeah. And then to block the flame, my friend, I guess he uses like cement or some or maybe ceramic, and it just like a wind blocker around the flame if it's what do you call it? A little windy out. It's cold out today. Yo, somebody asked me if I wanted to play like football tomorrow, that they're playing up by this park by the water. And I was like, oh, maybe. And I looked at the temperature. It was like high of day, 42, which means it's going to be fucking cold out. And then they're on the water, which is extra windy. I was like, fuck that. I was like, oh, man, I got work on Friday. I can't do that. Oh, you're up in Buffalo? Dude, you guys get that lake snow yet? You get hit with that lake snow every year. Yeah, I wasn't about to play no fucking football tomorrow. Yo, what up, Code? Getting some free longs on the NQ. I think we're supposed to get good snow up here this year. Free turkey necks? 39 in Alabama. Jeez. Let's see what it is by me. Let's see what we're working with here. We got yo, it's 41 out right now. It's 41, but the feels like it's 28. We got 27-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Dude, wind gusts of 27 miles an hour is fucking cold. What up, Drew? to 51 all the way down there. That's crazy. I remember last year, Florida got some snow, a bunch of it up in the Panhandle. Wild. Buffalo's rough, man. I've been to Buffalo a bunch of times. I've spent a good amount of time up in the Niagara area. That was cold. All right, ask Lena to hit the alarm. High 71. Yeah, it's gonna be cold out for me. Yo, what up, Cash? I think we're gonna dump at open and then rip it. And that's going to be the day. It's going to be like down and then a little rippage. I think we're going to see 377. And that's going to be the move. That's my game plan. If I get stopped out here, I'll wait at open. Niagara is like the Florida of the North. Dude, it wasn't great. It was fucking cold. What up, Mulatto? Dude, my kids are screaming. Degens everywhere. You ain't kidding. Oh my God, my fucking kid. I gotta put batteries in a remote. Batteries in a remote. Well, go get the batteries. Hold on. I'm gonna go get batteries. Hold on. Yo, what up? Holy shit. Bro, this happened yesterday. Every time I fucking get up. Dude. That's a Thanksgiving candle right there. Sounded like he was running from bear screaming, Dad. Yo. Did that just fucking happen to me? Did that just happen to me? The fuck? That just took out the longs. Dude, that was crazy. You piece of shit. I'm going to see if I can pass this account today. That's my goal. Pass one account. I'm not trading any funded accounts or anything like that. We're not getting that wild. We'll do the turkey race. We'll do a turkey race for everybody. Yo, what up, TJ? Dude, that sucked. That sucked like the Black Friday deals. Need about $500 more to pass a 150. What up, Chad? Yeah. I mean, today's a wild day to get it. I just started fresh. Yo, Black Friday deals have been shit. So I found just a couple that were halfway like okay. I'm trying to think. My Funded Futures is going to run something tomorrow. I'm going to get Lucid's going to run the new programs they're going to get tomorrow. Yo, do you think Elite is running Beat the Beast right now? Thursday Beat the Meat? No, they're not running that. No. They ain't running shit. Yo, I even posted about that. I was like, it's so stupid. You give new users more of a discount than people that are loyal to you. Makes no sense. Yo, what up, Ray? Apex is 80 off with $40 activation fee, unless you do the 100K accounts, which suck. What's up, Mad Moxie? The 100K on Apex is awful. I will not be getting that. What up, Next Gen? Good morning, Simone. I just don't. I don't get what's going on. Why? What is this morning giveaway? I don't know. I'll figure it out sometime after my coffee. After my coffee, I'm still waking up. What up for keeps? I'm just like, dude, I'm gonna tell you one thing I got recently. I'm searching all Black Friday deals at this point. I'm not even searching just prop firms. I'm searching everything. I'm looking for it's gonna sound so crazy, but anywhere that, like, I know Snake River Farm sells steaks, like anywhere that sells steaks, burgers, anything like that, I'm looking for Black Friday deals to fill my freezer. Am I going all day to closing? No. I gotta get dressed. I think I'm supposed to leave at like 12 or 1 o'clock today. So what's my expectations? I think we're going to dump at open and then we're going to come back up. TradingView has a great deal. Yeah, I mean, if somebody came out with a good deal, they would get all the money. All the money. I am sitting on the sidelines waiting to load the boat. Yeah, I'm going to do majority of mine this weekend, Ray. I'm just going to go through all the websites and see all the Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals and just buy, like Kramer does. Buy. Yeah. So I'm doing that. I don't know what else I got. But I think it's just a good time to get some stuff. I was hoping Apex would do 90 off. That was a big ass letdown. I was hoping Trade Day would do something Like even Lucid, I thought Lucid would do something else. Yeah, Lucid is basically my funded futures. Yes. I like my funded futures still, but better, but it's the same thing. Billions and billions. Dude, where is that shit? I got it up.
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and
Yo, anybody new here is like, what the fuck? Dirty Dog Farm? Yeah, I like that, TJ. But the new plans, you're not going to be able to. The new plans are 50% consistency rule on evals, just like my funded futures. Bro, he loves his billions. Dude, I love that one. I love that one. I love this one too. Yo, we're going to make so much money. It's going to be like
700 billion and $1,300 billion.
Fucking, I love sound bites. Yeah, the new plans. I mean, I don't know if you're gonna have to buy the new plans, but the new plans have zero consistency on funded, which is all I care about. I want zero consistency on funded because it allows me to funded next. I'm probably out on funded next. Dude, on tariffs. Yo, am I getting my $2,000 check? That's all I want to know. Am I getting my 2,000? Come to Butthead. The Trade University have independent mind and zero. If zero consistency. Yeah, I just don't like a consistency rule. Do I trade Bulenox. Yep. I have a bunch of accounts. I mean, I literally just go wherever the deals are at. If the deals are good, I'll buy accounts there. Yeah, Chad. That's kind of why I stick to I mean, I do trade with a ton of fucking accounts, but yeah, well, they had to change the rules, Ray. They were like, got him. What is this month payout money? Wait, what is your month payout money in November? I don't have the month total. I have taken 16 prop firm payouts this month. I have taken 7 payouts from my funded futures, I think it is. I've taken 4 or 5 from Apex. I've taken 2 from Elite Trader Funding. That's close to 16. I gotta look at. What up, Paul? I gotta look at. Why does everybody love my funded futures? Because it's the easiest one to get a payout from, Sam. 5 days of $100 or more is pretty fucking easy. Well, first, welcome to the stream, Suzanne. My funded futures doesn't. Lucid new accounts don't. Take Profit Trader doesn't. We were just talking about the similarities between my funded futures and Lucid now. Yeah, Ray. We're making rules to make you a better trader. Yeah, okay, bud. I believe that one. What up, Fred? So, anyways, yeah, so I've taken 16 payouts this month. Will I get to 17? I'll tell you right now if I'll get to 17. I'm 2 days away from a My Funded Futures payout. No, I'm not going to fucking get it. Monday's the 1st. My Funded Futures doesn't have directed funded. No. Yeah. Welcome to the fucking stream, man. Yeah, Lucid is a one-time fee. Is that 17 winning payouts in a row? Yo, and then everybody just hit 17 in the fucking chat. Yeah, this month was good. Last month was good too. Last month I made a lot of fucking money. Yo, what up, D-Bot? Yeah, last month I made money, a lot of money all around in my personal account too. Last month was fucking wild. Last month, I think if I looked at the numbers, I think I made something like $39,000 last month. Yeah, it was fucking wild. But if I had to put a number on payouts, I don't know. I gotta look. Enough money for yo. I almost made wife-changing money. Oh, man. That shit's so funny. Yo, we're going to run the turkey race today. I can't believe these motherfuckers wicked me out. Good morning. What is a good platform to trade? Are you talking about propfirm? I would go with like My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Lucid. Probably where I would start. I mean, AD, I've been doing this fucking for years and years and years. Yeah, do I use higher time frame? Yeah. Here's my hourly, 5-minute hourly. I'll zoom out to the 4-hour. I really want to see the hourly close above 318, get bounced out of this fair value gap and up with some volume. What up, Pegasus? Yeah, I'm out on fucking Topstep. Yeah, but the algos will kick in at 9:30. The algos will kick in. We'll just trade algos all day. Yeah, Lucid's great. Son of Wall Street said Lucid is throat goated. I meant just goated. Oh. The new accounts, they came out with pricing already on the new accounts. Sean posted it in the Discord. I gotta fucking scroll up. Damn. Where the fuck is it? These are the new plans that they're coming out with. Lucid Flex. $78. No activation fee. No consistency rule. Unfunded. These start tomorrow. I don't know, TJ. I think they're going to run a pro sale. Here's the link if anybody wants to join. The Discord's free. If you want to come hang out. By the way, we're streaming the Open every morning next week going forward, but every day, the morning starting Monday is going to be streamed in Discord if you want to hang out. Quant Tower is good. Good morning, AD. Aldo. Dude, where'd my hand go? My AI screen. Dude, my AI screen's all messed up. Here, for you new people that want to see where I'm really at, this is where I'm really at. That's me without my AI screen. The one-time fee, no rebill is the best. Well, My Funded Futures does that. Why is my webcam laggy? I don't know. Probably because I got 1,000 tabs up for Black Friday deals. Let me see. I'm just taking all this shit off my computer. Dude, people going crazy in my other room. I'm trying to pass this account today. Obviously, they fucking wicked me out. I got wicked out like a little bitch at freaking... I don't even know what happened there. What's up, Joyce? Look how used and abused the couch is. Bro, that's my couch, man. It's my couch. I like to hang out there. I didn't have anybody clean it this week. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I literally wicked me out at the freaking bottom. I need 7 points? What, I'm guessing to the upside? You probably get that here. Look at this shit. I can't believe they freaking did that to me. Probably go all the way up. Bro. A lot, D-Ba. I create stars all the time, Ray. What's up, John? Happy Turkey Day to everybody. Everybody. Let me go back to my office before I get a nasty email from someone in the chat being like, I don't know why you're showing your couch behind you. Been holding long since yesterday afternoon. Listen, as long as it continues to hold this fair value gap on the hourly, I would say it's going to be bullish. It's one big flag. I almost want to just risk the account, to be honest with you, and just go long. Target 73 with like two minis. That or some BS about shaving. Yeah, the dude that told me I needed to shave. Fucking, like, bro. What are we talking about? Yeah, I think we're going to go up. I'm master debating on what I want to do. If I want to freaking buy and just hold. No shave, no sub. Dude, we're gonna do fucking some turkey races today. Turkey races. Turkey races. It's such a weird day. Like, by the way, if you're new here, welcome to the motherfucking stream. Smash the subscribe button. We is it going to be like a real day of trading here? No. Obviously, it's going to be really wiki and PA is going to probably suck, but I'm going to try to pass this thing. So if you're new, you should come hang out on a regular day. Say what's up. Here, let's open this shit up again. Just resume. Guess we'll just hit the resume button. See what happens. Joe, you're short. Yo, what up, Bread? You're shorting. Bread is shorting the Austin 316 level. I always miss Project X. What? Bro, fuck that thing. Oh shit! I saw this. I saw the orb make. I was like, "Yo, did that just dump?" What do we got going on here? I'd love to see a little dumpy do at open. I might just take 2 minis and fucking hold it. Yo, what up, Golden? Replicanter was 199. Quant Tower is 16. What's the main difference between both? Quant Tower is a full-on trading software. Replicanto is just a copy trader. And if you use code COVE20, you'll save 20% on Replicanto, by the way. I might buy 2 minis here and just fucking hold it.
Order filled.
I'm in for the fucking. We're riding this to the wheels fall off, people. I'm playing this off the hourly. I'm riding it to the wheels fall off. Unless we sell out below 72, I think they're going to grind this up. Yeah, Replicanto's a trade copier. Rob the Scalper. I have Quant Tower, by the way, but you can get Quant Tower for free with some platforms. Like, I just pay $30 a month for the advanced features, and the rest of it I have free. I love getting turkey blasted every 5 minutes, Design. Yo, I'm in it to fucking win it, man. Yo, we're holding the 25,400. If we hit up here, I could pass this in one day, right? Yeah. What up, Armel? By the way, to join the giveaway, you got to subscribe, just an FYI. Otherwise, it's not going to let you in on the back end. Just throwing it out there. Throwing it out there for all the new people. But, hey, welcome to hang out, have some fun, shoot the shit. I'm just holding. I'm not going to sweat this out and get wicked out again. I hate how the YouTube changed everybody's name to see their tag name and not their actual name. Like, I see, like, oh, what up, MNQ68? Like, he had a display name and now he doesn't anymore. Dude, I'm so worried that they're gonna wick me out. We're gonna do that. Yo, we get out of this 1 hour FVG, man. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Oh, fuck yeah. Let's go. Who's riding? By the way, if you happen to take the trade, you can sell it for a profit right now. What up, Joe? You could definitely sell out for a profit. Everybody's up. Just because I do something, you definitely don't have to do it. Yeah, Bodine, I think it's going to be half off pro accounts. Those pro accounts are going to be half off. So they're going to be like, what, like 110? Oh, that's yo, Martin. You're Augury Ace. I didn't know that. Yeah, they're showing the at symbols now. Whatever you signed up with. So I see Martin P. YouTube did that, so you can't imitate other people now. But yeah, if you're new to the stream and you want to join giveaway, we do these giveaways every day. You just gotta subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, it won't let you in. What up, Raj? Morning, Cove. I am using Tradeify for my funded futures. Can you tell me if you can do TP and stop loss when you group trade on Tradeify? You cannot unless you use Replicanto or another trade software. So I use Replicanto on NinjaTrader, and I could do exactly what you're trying to do. It's one time 160 unless they're running a Black Friday deal. But yeah, what you're trying to do, you can't do on Tradeify unless you use a third-party trading software. Just an FYI. No! Go the other way! Go the other way, please! Yo, I just realized. Yo, I forgot. Lucid has a daily loss limit. It's not until the account blows. They got a daily loss limit of 1,200. Yeah, appreciate. Hey, Raj, you got I could show you what it looks like. Let me see if I can show you what it looks like. I just realized that I can't blow the account because I only got $1,200 fucking drawdown. Mamma mia! Welcome, welcome, welcome. Dude, I better pick this shit up. Nah, Raj. I'm just having a little fun on Thanksgiving. I can't lose this account because they got a daily loss limit. They'll automatically stop me out at 1,200 and I'll be able to trade it tomorrow. So I am not worried one bit. Just having a little fun. Little fun skis. Feeling cute. Having fun. Might delete later. So I'll just let me see. I'll connect this. So this is what it looks like. And you basically just choose your accounts. And then that's it. But if I trade this account now, once I set this up, I trade that account on here and it will follow everything on there. It will do the brackets. It will do everything. That's the workaround, is using Replicanto. What up, Penny? Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, man. This fucking market, man. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Bro, I need Trump to tweet fucking something right now for us to go up. I need him to show a happy Thanksgiving photo of he and Xi Ping chest bumping each other. I need them doing their secret handshake, saying happy Thanksgiving. I need Xi Ping to put out a TikTok doing his fucking TikTok dance, doing a Trump dance, saying happy Thanksgiving to my boy Trump. And then the market goes up. If I understand correctly, if I simply want to copy my Apex, TBT, and Lucid accounts together, I use Replicant. Yes. But Quant Tower is the replacement for TradingView. Quant Tower is more like NinjaTrader. When it comes to here, there's scripts that I use that they don't have. Dude, this thing just dumped. Yeah, actually, we just took the low out. Bro, we just took the low out. I kind of fucking like that to the upside if we hold here and come back. The fact that we just swept lows. Do I dare take this in a fucking funded account? For yeah, so if you're gonna buy Replicanto, I think it's Cove 20 and you'll save 20% on Replicanto. I fucking didn't know that they had codes. I paid the fucking $200. But yeah.
Order filled.
Told myself I wasn't going to trade funded accounts today, and here I am trading my funded account.
Order filled.
Fucking living dangerous. Living dangerous. All right, I'm not trading funded accounts today anymore. After I bought it, I kind of regretted it. I had post-trade clarity. I had post-trade clarity, and I was like, what the fuck am I in this with a funded account for? Kind of like right after you're done, and you're like, fuck, what did I just do? I got to leave. Oh, man. Post-trade remorse? More like clarity. It's like post-nut clarity, and you're like, fuck, what am I doing? Oh, man. We just had a little inversion to the upside after sweeping lows. That might be the dip I was talking about. We just rip it from here. Yo, anybody that's new on the fucking stream, say what's up. I want to hear from the new people. If you're new here, say what's up. We want to hear. You're probably not trading because it's just a bunch of degenerates trading now, but hey, man, you cooking up a turkey today? You cooking up stuffing? What you got going on? Nivita, welcome to the stream. Yo, Giovanni. There you go. I like hearing from all the new people. Everyone's friendly in here. We only bite if you want to. It's like one big hangout here. This is one big hangout. Everyone's friendly. We play some poker at night, hang out. Everyone's good people. Sambo Lego, what's up? What's up? No PNC today? What's PNC today? What's PNC? Hello from San Diego. Dude, weather there is probably nice. Weather there is probably nice. Yo, I love San Diego. I only did a quick trip to San Diego, though. And then I went up to Napa. Post nut clarity? Yeah. Post-trade clarity. Oh, man. Yo, 66? Dude, it's freaking, the feels like by me is 28. I gotta go freaking help my dad with the turkey in a little bit. I gotta head over there around noon or so. Head over around nooner. And then I think people are coming over like 2:30. Help them get all this shit together. It's very slow today. I'm all in, hanging out, shooting the shit. It's not like a normal stream where we're just fucking ripping trades. I do like it on the hourly. Nothing good DCA can't fix. If you DCA with a real account, like your personal, only to the upside, you would eventually work out of it. It's to the downside, you get fucked. You can get fuck forever. Dude, I most definitely don't want to go to my mother-in-law's house. 100% not. Fuck that. We don't want to go to the in-laws' house. Yo, Degens got a Degen. I placed some football bets, so we'll see how that pans out. I usually don't bet football. Yo, who wants to go over there? Yo, what do you think? I want to go over there and sit on a fucking couch with plastic on it? You think I want to eat? She wants to give me hard candy, little butterscotch hard candies? No fucking way. Plastic. Yeah, I get up, my fucking ass is stuck to the plastic couch. Yo, you can fucking smell the dust in the air? No, I'm good on that. Yo. Yeah, fucking new people are like, what the fuck is going on over here? Yeah, I'm just calling it as it is. Bro, mothballs. Yo. You open up that one closet. It's like a cedar closet. It's got like 3 fur jackets in it that haven't been touched since like the 80s. Crotch dust? Is that like coochie cobwebs? Oh, man. Is that where I got my couch from? Yo, my couch has some mileage on it, Sam. Oh, shit. Bro, you get that dried ass turkey. Yo, they got the fucking Tupperware that comes in like 3 colors. It's like orange, green, and yellow. Yo, Denob. Zoom here. Yo, Scooby Trades. Thanks for subscribing, man. Yeah. Again, dude. Shit's awful. Yo, I used to go to Thanksgiving over there, man. It was like fucking turkey was so dry. You ever see Christmas Vacation where they're fucking the turkey just like poofs out? Bro, it was bad like that. I was like, yo, what the fuck is this? It was so bad. I had to fucking make my turkey the next day. It was so bad. By the way, I actually have my in-laws at my house right now. They're on the other side of my door. Yo, the chart frozen. This shit's not moving. Yo, they stayed over to watch the Thanksgiving Day parade at my house in the morning. I was like, yeah, I think I'm going to fucking hang out and trade a little bit. Yo, you see that shit? I saw some shit. It's probably fake, but it's like, yo, it's a service that will come to your house early on Thanksgiving and arrest you. And then you can go eat like a good turkey dinner with like your friends and shit. And then they'll return you back the next day. Yo, I'm definitely not going. Definitely not going to what do you call it? Definitely not going to this city, man. City's rough. Yo, what up, Neil? It's been a minute. I'm not trading. They got fam in town to host. Yeah, I got them at my house. You want more family? I'll ship them to your place, Neil. Dude, they can't listen to me. Sounds like listen, they're nice, but they got to just stay in their lane. They're done hosting. So they watch my stream. Imagine that shit. Imagine they have it up on the fucking TV. Like my kid put it up on the TV, and I'm just like talking about their plastic couch. No. Bro. Looking up and seeing Dora the Explorer as a balloon. My kids never watched Dora. My mother-in-law's full port and gold on her phone. I'm going all in. Bro, I'm going to get stopped out right here. I forgot Lucid had a $1,200 daily loss limit. Yeah, I'm still in. I said I was going to hold, but I thought I could just hold with a $2,000 drawdown, but apparently I'm going to get stopped at 1,200. So it is what it is. Dude, I'm just having some fun today. I mean, there's no like, what's the trade setup? I wanted it to hold this. I'll tell you what, we get below this at 70. I'm probably going to short this. That's all I need, Knob. $800. I could do $800. They're probably going to have non-farm payroll next week, by the way, right? The first Friday of the week. First Friday of the week's non-farm payroll, so Being that the government's back, right? Should happen. So I'll run the account for non-farm payroll and get it back or not. Chad, you gotta talk friendly to it. You gotta be like, yo, just get up there for $200. I'll take you out on a nice walk at the beach. We'll go get that tofu ice cream you like. We'll even eat that salad for dinner. Come on. You can invite the in-laws over for dinner. I'll have them over. You just gotta get me that $200. That's it. Just give me that $200. That's it. You can invite your ugly ass sister over, her fucking boyfriend I can't stand. Just give me that $200. You got to sweet talk it. Sweet talk it, Chad. You'll get it. Yo, I hope it bounces. Hope it bounces right now. Yeah. I actually win during regular sessions. I was hoping to get more payouts this month. I'm at 16 prop firm payouts this month. I was literally hoping to get to 20 payouts. It just didn't happen because today and tomorrow is the last trading day, and I don't think I can get another payout. So I'm stuck at 16 for the month. Dude, I had a few bong hits this morning. I'm probably going to do that when I get to my dad's house. My dad smokes with us. My dad's more like a friend than my dad's more like a friend than dad. My dad fucking is 73. He surfs, he dirt bikes, he rides those fucking dune things. He lives in Mexico full time. He's a good fucking time. Like if my dad was around my age, I'd be hanging out with him like all the time, being like, yo, let's go out to the bar. How long I've been, dude, JB, I've been trading since 2007. I may look younger. I'm 42. So I've traded since 2007 to 2011, 2012. I did stocks, and then I took a break to start a business, and I got back into trading in 2017 with options, stocks, options, but a lot of options. And then I got into futures in 2023 as a way to hedge my options portfolio. And while doing that, I ran into prop firms, and then I got profitable in prop firms in 2024. My dad trades crypto? No. My dad fucking hangs out. What do I think about small caps? How small? Like, I don't trade pink sheet companies or anything like that. I'm not trading pink. Doesn't have options on it. I'm not trading it because I'm not doing penny stocks or anything like that. Yeah, so basically, I'll be honest with you, it was super frustrating. So I I've been making consistent money in the market for a very long time. And then I got into prop firms and I thought it would just be a super simple fucking thing. And I lost for like 3 months, 4 months. Like I was just losing. And then I don't know. I made a couple changes. I stopped doing certain things. And then I was getting to the point where I was like, kind of break even, I guess. You know, I wasn't losing that much, and then all of a sudden I would have a profitable month, and then I wasn't. And then I kept making adjustments to my strategy and my chart and things I was looking for. And then I progressively got more profitable. And yeah, you know, and then now this month, like it's just good. Yo, what up, Charles? I would say looking at the higher time frame for a general bias has helped me a lot. Do you think that your management was part of it? Not really. I don't revenge trade, by the way. So I don't revenge trade. I don't all of a sudden, like, if I lose, I don't just lever up and go like from 1 mini to 5 minis. Like, I'm not doing any of that bullshit. I don't, if I lose, I just wait for another trade setup. Like, what up, love and nature guy? I'll go from the daily 4 hour, 5 minute. Like, I just kind of look to see what we're doing on multiple time frames. I got this, which is the 5, and I'll switch this between the hour and the 1. And then I got this, where's the 1 minute, and this is the 30-second. I'll enter on a 30-second. I'll enter on a 30-second inversion to the upside when we're normal trading hours. Like, if we're dumping, I'll wait, and I might add half on a 30-second inversion, and then add more once the minute confirms it. But yeah, we're choppy today because obviously it's a shit market. Yo, today's your first day, Charles. Yo, I'm going to be honest with you, Charles. If you have not done any futures trading, I would just wait till Monday. I'm being as honest as I could. If you've never placed an actual trade, I would just wait till Monday. The markets are not what the markets normally are today or tomorrow. These are all holiday markets. So I don't want to see you lose because it's not acting normal. And I would just say chill out and wait till Monday and hang out. Yo, what up, Jay? I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, I mean, I'm just keeping it fucking real. I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh, yeah, man, fucking, you know. There is not one trade setup that I'm going to get today that I would normally take in a real market. I'm being honest with you. I am having some fun here. I'm on shooting the shit with, friends, people that come on the stream and hang out. I'm hanging out, having fun, having some good laughs. For you good new people, the stream normally is a mix of fucking laughing a ton and making money. If I'm not having fun, I don't like it. So I like to have fun during the day and I like to make money. So that's what the stream is mostly about. Yeah. Where it's unfiltered, it's not professional, it's unfiltered, but yeah. So what we do is we stream the open in Discord, and then at 10:30 we jump on the stream. Chris, oh, okay, thanks. I saw yesterday gold had a good trade, but I'm buying power didn't initiate yet. Yeah, Charles, chill out till Monday. Chill out till Monday. Don't fucking make your first trade in the shit today. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Yo, another bum. What up? Yo, TJ, you're at work? We're TJs, be honest. Yo, I like to have fun. Yo, TJ, is it wild at work? And I'm just curious, are they serving the inmates turkey? Like, do they serve them a Thanksgiving meal, or is it just whatever's next? Yeah, are they serving turkey and stuffing in jail today, or is it like whatever's in the fucking freezer? Boom, 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 boom. Dude, we're gonna get a couple of these fucking a couple of these races. I'm gonna need at least 3. We're gonna do this at least 3 times, and then we'll run the fucking gobble mother. Yo, do we do a Thanksgiving number game? Thanksgiving number game? It doesn't look bad. Probably the best tray of the year. Inmates getting stuffed? Jeez, Aldo. Tay, Cove, do you believe in love and the promise that it gives you? What? I would say so. Yeah, they have a special tray for lunch today. Yo, do you work where Diddy's at? Number game? All right, let me set up numbers game for everybody. Let's see numbers game. Bro, this is going to be fucking wild numbers game. I need to look at it, my other thing. I got the lucky number. Someone got into the nog early. Bro, county jail in Florida is probably fucking wild. This is for all you new guys. The number game is literally you guess a number between 1 to 100, and you could type as many times as you want. First to guess the number wins. What do I use to trade? I use Tasty Trade. All right, that's how the number game works. It's 1 through 100, and you can guess as many times as you want. I already have the lucky number. Ready, set, about to get fucking wild. Go. Yo. Holy shit. Someone got it already, bro. That was so quick. Hold on one second. Who got it? Lucky number was 42. Wow. Who just got it? Stock Itch was the first one to do 42. Someone's going to say, the next thing somebody's going to say is that they had it first. YouTube has it, so I'll just show you. So look, 942. The next 42 on the stream is Killer Viper, but that's in his name. And then Stockitch 42 at 10:08. Everyone's YouTube is different. Just remember that. We can only go by one YouTube. We go by Streamlabs. Yeah, Caveman, it might be on yours. I had it last. Yeah. That shit's funny. Everybody says they had it first. Yo, what's crazy is YouTube zeroes it out sometimes. It is what it is. You go straight to this. Yo, for you new guys, if you win the numbers game, you go straight to the sack. If you've never seen the ball sack race, you're missing out. We have ball sack Fridays where we do ball sack races. Yo, it happens all the time on numbers game. Well, you go straight to the turkey race. We're going to do turkey races. So you're straight to the gobble gobble. Yo, I thought about it first. Yo, ball sack race, man. We do on Fridays, we do the ball sack race, and winner gets a free account. Every day we give away a free account here, by the way. And I find creative ways to do it. So Friday is Ball Sack Fridays, where we do a ball sack race. We do all types of shit in here for giveaways. Yo, I'm so in on the ball sack race. Stockage. Oh. Oh, man. Come on, push it. I better start training. It looks like the guy on South Park bouncing on it is what it looks like. Number one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. Push it. Come on up. Do it. I'm telling you, I think it goes. I think it fucking goes. Done, Chad. Yo, you sweet talk that little thing. I know you did. You were like, yo, I take you out. We'll get them new shoes you want. Yeah, I heard you. Feels like a 50-point candle. I'm telling you, the hourly looks good. We gotta close up here, and they'll probably just pop it. I'm trying to read those emojis. It says you gave a champagne facial to the NQ. Good job, man. Do you think tomorrow will be worth shit? Tomorrow's going to be better than today, TJ. Because the stock market's actually open tomorrow. Like you could trade stocks and options tomorrow. So the markets are actually going to have more volume. So I trade a lot of like we pull back into the fair value gaps, and I like to, if I want to see it hold and then push up, especially that we can hold maybe like this wick. Plus, you're going to hold the whole number, I guess you could say, and we're kind of working this move off with I can't even fucking hold on. We're working this move off on the hourly with the MACD. So I'm waiting for it to curl back up and push. It's just more like a consolidation area. And now I'd probably target the top. I wish I DCA'd 5 more times. See, on a normal trading day, I would love this. Like you just take out overnight lows at open. You'd basically dump at open. You take out overnight lows. I would then take this long. That's normally what I would do. But obviously today's like shit. So I don't know. But I'm in long. I'm holding long and strong. By the way, if you're new and you want to be notified when I go live, there's a little freaking yellow bell somewhere here. Smash my bell so hard and get notified. Kick me in the bell. Oh, man. I have 24,373 or whatever it is. Previous day high. We shall see. I'll fucking stay in. I'll leave and go to freaking Thanksgiving dinner holding this bitch. I'm rocking it till the wheels fall off. If I wasn't in a Lucid account that has a daily loss of 1,200, I would have added down here. We stopped doing the whammies. People. I felt bad doing the whammy thing, even though you guys voted for it. What am I going to do as a giveaway? Besides the knowledge that I give away every single day and the jokes that I give away every single day, maybe we'll do a My Funded Futures core account. Yeah, a couple people got the whammy though, and I felt bad, and then I was trying to make it up to people. Yeah, people got butthurt with the whammies. It was hysterical though. The fucking whammy was hysterical. You got to subscribe to get in the giveaway though. If you're not subscribed, you're not going to be able to get it. The system won't have you in. Yo, thanks for subscribing, Chad. My Funded Futures throat goated #1. I believe it. Yo, you get free in-laws and sister tofu jokes at no cost. Yo. You get to see my couch for free. You can get to see me do my interviews later on. Yo, Jay Styles, if we had BOGOs, I'd be loading the fuck up. I'm still pumped from my Celsius yesterday. I love Celsius. Yo, there's no plastic on this couch. Yo, 420 winning poker tournaments over there. By the way, you'll have it not this Monday, but next Monday. I got to submit them all at once. So I'm just letting you know. Oh, but you got to pass? Yeah. The Astro Glide was good. I meant Astro Vibe, not Glide. My bad. I thought you said Astro Glide. Oh, man. What up, Corb Trades? Looks like we're flagging here. Maybe push out of this thing. Can someone explain the multiplier? Hold on one second. What are we looking at? What's the multiplier? Can someone explain the multiplier? Is that what I get when the tick fills? I don't know exactly what you're talking about, the multiplier. Market closes at 1 o'clock today. What's the multiplier? Only to the moon, Ray. Yo, do I have it here? Yo, Ray. Yo, Ray, we going to the moon, baby? Robinhood shows tick size. Oh, you're trading on an option on a yeah, I don't trade futures on Robinhood. To the moon. Yeah, they might be talking about tick value, like 1 tick, 2 ticks, 3 ticks. Not ticks. How many minis or micros you're buying? Dude, I need a construction hat. We're going to be like the YMCA over here. Trying to think what else I got up in this mofo. Yeah, I think they're talking about how many micros. Ray's high as fuck trying to type. His grammar's bad today. It's the same thing on everyone's holidays. Market drops at open and then creeps up all day. Creeping like TLC, baby. Holy shit. Love the NASA hat. I like to have fun while I trade, man. You can't fucking be serious all day. Otherwise, or be on a boring, like just be boring all day. Like, I hate being boring, man. I like to have fun. I like to shoot the shit, talk about everything. Like, the chart's the chart. Like, you talk about the chart, you talk about the trade, you talk about what you're looking for, but there's a lot of time where you're just waiting for shit to happen. Gotta have fun. Still recovering from some gummies last night. Dude, I love edibles. I love when you eat edibles and then you got to get somewhere before the edible kicks in. So it's like, all right, I'm taking this right now, and like I need to get to my friend's house before it kicks in. And like then you start playing the time game. Yo, hold on 1 second. Boy's twiddling his thumbs over here, waiting. My guy playing. Someone's playing basketball on your back door. So your back door is taking a beating, Charles. Fun fact: I went to school to be an astronaut, but they kicked me out for taking up space. Chris, yo, Chris, where are you traveling to today? Yeah. MNQ is the one you want to stay with if you're trading on Robinhood. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, I'm hanging out in this thing till the wheels come off. You're in Jersey? Oh, you're still there? You haven't moved? I didn't know if you had to travel anywhere else. Are you hitting up Halo Farms in the morning? Dude, I wonder if they're even open in the morning. Probably not because Thanksgiving. But maybe because it is Thanksgiving and everybody's buying shit in the morning. I wonder if the bagel store is open by me. Get a nice freaking bacon, egg, and cheese to start my day. Although, as much as I want it, I'm not eating until Thanksgiving dinner. I'm trying to keep it. I'm about to eat a fuck ton. Yo, did you go on a website and like bid on jobs? Chris, I seen a thing on was it like Shipping Wars where they you can bid on jobs. Where do I live? I'm in New York. I'm out on Long Island. Corb, where you at? My Funded Futures is gonna do I think they're gonna do 50% off pro plans tomorrow. Oh, you're in Queens? That's cool. You sent me a DM yesterday. I will look at it. I'm with you, Core. I got a fucking fuck ton over here too. Where in Queens are you? Wait. Are you in Astoria? Tell me you're in Astoria. Astoria or Bayside? Yeah, there's a ton of delis too. It's so funny because if you're not from like our area, people don't understand like the bagel and deli thing. There's no, like you go other states, there's not like 5 bagel stores in like a 5 block. Oh, closer to Bayside, yeah. Dude, I was gonna go grab some. Dude, Golden. I was talking about it last night. Actually, you got the $19 accounts. I was gonna buy them tomorrow. I appreciate it. Yeah, I was literally talking about it last night. I think I was talking to Sean about it last night. Legends. Yo, I don't buy my bagels from Panera Bread. Yeah, fucking. Yo, you know what's crazy, Fred, is when I was dating some girl that lived in the Carolinas, but she had family in the Carolinas, Virginia, like all those states down there. And we'd go down there and they would be like, oh, we're going to go get like a deli sandwich. And I was like, cool, like I'll go. And they went to the fucking supermarket. And I was like, what the fuck are we doing at the supermarket for deli sandwich? You know, like, or the bakery. The bakery is at the supermarket. Like you walked into like, you know, Giant or whatever it is, and you bought deli good. You bought bakery goods from like the supermarket. And I was like, what? Does my wife mind me dating? Dude, I'm owned over here. I'm going to get Lucid Flex tomorrow too. Yeah. Yeah, I will say when we went down there, it's just a different like what they do. The only bagel store that was decent that I would eat is like, I guess they have Brooklyn Water Bagels, and Einstein Bagels is not terrible. I mean, it's not like up here, but it was like, okay, I could deal with this for a week. But like, I don't eat barbecue food by me. Barbecue food sucks by me. That when I go down south, I eat barbecue food like every day. I hit all the barbecue joints up, you know. I am full blown in barbecue mode when I go down south. Briskets and, you know, all the shit. Dude, I'm going to try something right now, actually. I'm going to try something. Let me see if I can get this going real quick. I'm going to see something real fucking quick. Let's see if I can. I'm going to try to actively trade this. Oh, shit. I'm going to actively trade this in another account is what I'm going to do. Yeah, Lucid Flex looks pretty fucking... It's pretty much my funded futures. Lucid Flex is my funded futures. I'm going to DCA in if this goes lower, is what I'm going to do. I'm going to literally, I guess you guys could call it grid trading. I don't know if you guys know about grid trading. You do it. I've done it with crypto a ton. How many fucking micros can I buy in this account? I'm just going to buy the fucking... I'm just going to buy the dip and I'm going to sell the fucking rip. I'm just going to sell right up here. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Gold? Come on. I'm going to grab...
Order filled.
Just in case it doesn't fucking come down. I think they're going to do a flash down. They're going to put in a, like an algo down, and then it'll come back up. Come on, baby. Dump it. Cove, is Lucid Flex better than the previous count? The Lucid Flex is going to be zero consistency on the funded accounts, which is what I like.
Order filled.
I like zero consistency on the funded accounts. So I like that. I want, if I get into a trade, not have to sell out. Come on.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on. Come back up, baby. Come on. Come on. I prefer to not go all the way down. Obviously, I'd like to bounce here. Market don't go sideways because I think we would have ran on a normal day already, to be reals. I'm just trying to play the range at this point. Buy the bottom, sell the top in this account. Come on. Keep going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Just do it. Do it. Come on. Dude, I want to search for Black Friday deals on freaking gifts right now also. Anybody going to wait at like Walmart at 3 a.m. tonight or anything like that? Anyone doing anything crazy for in-store shopping? Or is in-store shopping done nowadays? We're going to need... Boom, 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 boom. We're going to do one last one of these. One last one of these, and then we'll... oh, shit. And then I'll end up running this thing. Hell no. Dude, that used to be the thing, Code. That used to be the thing. I'm not going to lie. I kind of like buying. So early on in my futures thing, I would trade like this with 3 micros or 5 micros where I would go in and I'd buy in like 3 spots. And I kind of don't mind it. And I might go back to buying in zones rather than just buying at once. What up, Jester? Kind of it's DCA, but it's not really DCA. It's kind of like DCA to me is when the trade is not going your way, you keep adding. This is before we even get in, I plan to add in the zone. My whole level is here. So I think going forward, I might. Obviously, if it was a different day, I would spread this out over like a 10-point period where you kind of slowly get in. And you kind of buy in a zone instead of me buying like one mini right here, you kind of buy it over a zone. Coral Sky. Really? What? What's really? I don't know what really is. But welcome to the fucking stream. You know what it does? It allows me to not get wicked out in certain areas. Like if you look on previous days where like, you might get wicked out. Yeah, you kind of just scale in. Kind of like it. Bro, Walmart's crazy. One year somebody died at Walmart when they were doing some sale and they got trampled when the door opened. Is Take Profit Trader 50% off today? I don't know. Is it? Fuck. I'd buy them out of accounts if it's 50% off. No, it's 30% off. I wish it was 50. You would hear beeping from outside, and that'd be me backing the truck up at 50.
Order filled.
Just take a fucking... I'm just going to keep scalping this shit. Do prop firms actually have deals on Black Friday, or the deals they have now are the Black Friday deals? Some of them are just the deal that's out right now. Did that just not fucking film me?
Order filled. Order filled.
We'll see how high this last one goes. ChatGPT, what? Yeah, this is like Asia. I'm just kind of playing around. But I'll tell you what, you just play the edges, kind of works. Yeah, I mean, Lucid Flex and My Funded Futures is the easiest, I think, just because it's 5 days of $100 or more. You heard Topstep is coming out with a pro Black Friday deal, but you're not going to be able to trade it because Project X is down every single day. Yeah, I mean, that sounds great. I can't wait for that to happen. I mean, listen, if they offer a deal, I mean, great, but Project X is down like every day. There's almost no... Oh, My Funded Futures. Yeah, My Funded Futures is going to do the pro plan 50% off, I think. No flop step. Yeah, Charles. Just buy the bottom and just sell the top on a day like today. It's kind of what I'm looking for here. I mean, I'm above break even, so I can't fucking lose. I should, you know, but oh man, this shit's. I mean, that should be the game plan, I guess. It's just buy the bottom, sell the top of the range. The one thing I am worried about is it does kind of seem like you're getting a rounded top. You know, you're just making lower lows. Like you can just kind of see it. But at the same time, you kind of have a flag going on. So, and it's Thanksgiving Day. So who the fuck knows, you know? But that's kind of what I would look at on like a 5. You know, that's kind of what we got going on here. See what happens. I mean, you're kind of going to get to the apex of this thing. Actually, you know what? I mean, it could trade. I mean, it could trade till the end of the day and still stay in this thing. I mean, the point doesn't come until, you know, point's not going to come for a while. What up, Larry? You got Lee B in the house? Come on, pop it. If I had to guess, at some point they're going to pop this thing. Yo, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. But yeah, at some point, I think they're going to pop this thing. I think tomorrow I'm going to use my OBS software instead of this shit. Pop it up. Yeah, I think it's just flagging. I think it's just flagging and probably pop to the upside is what I would get. By the way, I would watch out with Tick Trader. I heard some not so great shit about them recently. That was wild. I guess they weren't paying their fucking Tradeivate bill. I'd watch out if you know, only because we were talking accounts. I wouldn't be buying any Tick trading accounts. FYI. Just throwing it out there. Just throwing it out there for everybody. I wouldn't be doing any ticks. Yeah, Project X is going to be exclusive to Topstep. I don't like Project X, so that's fine with me. I don't want to trade on that shit. Tick already sounds like a sketchy virus. Yo, it's just, you know. What are you using now for the stream? I'm using Streamlabs. So Streamlabs is a web-based version where I sign on to the web and they do it. OBS is desktop, so it's on my actual computer. But I could do more things. So I'm going to test it out tomorrow. I've done it before. We'll see. Claudia, I'm just the lockout feature. I'm just going to be honest with you. If you are trading and you don't have enough self-control to stop trading for the day or stop trading whenever, you're not going to make it long term. You should be able to stop trading without hitting a button. That's just self-control that will spill over into your actual trading. If you can't just say, hey, I'm done for the day and close it and leave, you know, and I'm just keeping it honest. You know, I'm not trying to be negative or anything like that. Like, there's also third-party softwares. I think it's like Halo Guardian or some shit like that. You know, I'm just, yeah, that's, you know, you shouldn't need something to hit the button. Just being honest. Yeah, and you know what? That's good that you're learning. You know, why doesn't TPT do anything special for resetting pro accounts? They've only done it one time. Only once I've seen them do it. And basically it was half off resets. Half off resets. Yo, I'm surprised freaking Fidias never did anything. I thought Fidias would do a Black Friday deal. Never did one. Black Friday or Christmas? What do you mean Black Friday or Christmas? They'll do Christmas deals. You'll see Christmas deals come out. What up, Quan? I still think this goes. If they have a deal tomorrow, I'll load the boat. I have 3 funded accounts with them. I've been paid a bunch with them. Yeah. Taco Tuesday's in here. Yeah, I don't know. They only did half off resets one time. Personally, it doesn't make sense financially to reset a pro account. Being honest. Just doesn't, you know, it's super expensive. You might as well just buy a bunch of evals and pass them for the amount that they cost for that. You know, Jerry, what up, Jerry? Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Yo, if you're new and you're trying to get in the giveaway, you got to subscribe. Otherwise, it doesn't enter you. Even though it says you're in, you're not actually in unless you're subscribed to the channel. Just an FYI for anyone that's new. Yeah, just buy 5 evals. You're going to pass, you know. I think it's 1,500. At 1,500, you could buy for resetting You can buy $1,500 accounts and probably pass, I don't know, 3 to 5 of them. It's just much easier that way. Much, much easier that way. Boom, 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 boom. You thought it was 500? I'll tell you right now how much it is. I'll try to reset one right now. For me to reset my 50K is $650. I could have gotten 6 My Funded Future. I could have gotten 6 Take Profit Trader accounts and probably passed 2 of them, and I'd have double the amount and also save $50. Yeah. I don't know. I should have done it for NVIDIA earnings. Just reset one for $600 and go fucking 5 minis all in for up or down. I would have made fucking thousands. I almost did it, by the way. I would rather buy the evals. It's cheaper to buy the evals and pass the evals. Just an FYI. You're going to save money. It's an easy way to start losing a lot of money because you reset a pro account, you blow it, you reset another one, and now you're like $1,200, $1,300 in the hole. You know, who wants to do that? I don't want to lose all that money. I've had times where I passed, 4 or 5 straight accounts. I'd have a ton. Just an FYI. Oh, man. I only reset evals that are cheaper than, yeah, that's when I do it. When they give you deals on resets. Yeah. Deals on resets. Hey, Marie! We're hanging out, Marie. Yeah. Lucid's going to have new accounts starting tomorrow. Oh, Lucid says all positions must be closed by 12:45. You're peeling apples? What are you making? Making apple pie? Yo, what up, Donovan? Donovan McNasty. I mean, who doesn't love a good warm apple pie on Thanksgiving? You changed your last name? Oh, man. Got me a Dutch apple pie for today. I don't know what's the difference between a Dutch apple pie and a regular apple pie. Yo, have a good one, AD. Has anyone heard of real funded? Nah, I've only used fake funded. Yo, Peter Pan's in the house. What up, Peter Pan? If you're new, you got to subscribe to be added for the giveaway. By the way, we do these giveaways every day. If you want to come by and hang out, come by and hang out. This is an everyday occurrence in here. Also, if you want to get alerted when I go live, boom, hit that little fucking bell button down there. Otherwise, I don't know if YouTube lets you know. Not always. 60% of the time, it works every time. Yo, Andy. I just saw a Facebook ad. Yeah, you need to complete with feet pics for KYC. Yeah, I'm good on that. I'll probably pass. I'll probably throw the pass card. I got likes today. I don't even know. Dutch apple pie has crumb crust. Yeah. I like a good crumb crust. You don't know if you should take a payout? Bro, take the money. You always take the money, AD. Always take the money. Why wouldn't you take the money? I was probably going to get some legend accounts. I was going to get some legend accounts. I've been updating this. I've been posting all the Black Friday deals here. The link to our Discord's at that link also, by the way, if anyone wants to come fucking hang out. Always take the money. Always. What I like to do is you take the money right away, and then for your second payout, you can go for bigger money. Why do I think the Lions are going to win? Because ChatGPT told me so. I just bet whatever ChatGPT told me. Yeah, I want my money and I want it now. You ain't kidding, Brad. Yeah, Bullnuts is going to stop doing Project X. Yep. They're all going to stop it. Yo, take the money, give your wrong phone number, give the wrong name, hit it, and get out of there, man. ChatGPT, yo, they said the favorites cover like 63% of the time. I'm good with that. Matter of fact, I got to place my pool picks. Thanks for reminding me. I got to place my pool picks. Uh-oh. I take it all usually.
Order filled.
Come on.
Order filled.
Yeah, if you haven't gotten a payout in 6 months, take the fucking money. 1,000% take the money. 1,000% take the money. You gotta be crazy not to.
Order filled.
Yo, how is Buffalo an underdog? That's crazy. Did I miss a game? Oh, I did miss a game. I'm in this fucking football pool. Yo, have a good night, AD. Look at this shit. Come on, push it, baby. Push it. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. We'll go to the park and have a picnic. Let's go. Let's go. I'll give you that back massage. We'll watch Dancing with the Stars tonight. Come on. I'll even vote on my phone. Come on. We'll vote a bunch of times. All you got to do is come up and get my orders. Just do it. Just do it. Come on. Come on. Couple more points up. Come on. After Dancing with the Stars, we'll watch Hunting Wives. We'll do whatever you want. Just fucking go. Oh, you just teased me. Come on. Come on. No. No. There'll be no Dancing with the Stars if you don't hit this. Let's do it. Don't mention Dancing with the Stars. Come on. I'm trying everything. I need to play a pump song for it. Come on, man. I'll take your sister out. Your sister can come over and bring her freaking annoying ass boyfriend. I'll put up with them all night if you just take my orders out. Come on. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. Do it right here. Just push a little bit. A little bit more. Oh, we're right there. Don't play me.
Order filled.
Yo, we did it. We did it.
Order filled.
We did it. We did it, Joe. We did it. We did it, Joe.
Order filled.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Last one. Last one. I'm going to take this one.
Order filled.
We did it.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Oh, shit. Yo, pumped up. Just trading the fucking range is the way to go. We did it. We did it, Joe. Yo. Fucking nice. Yeah, you got to expect, Ange, at some point you're going to take a loss trading the range. I agree. I mean, can never go wrong with a drunk Kamala. Listen, obviously I trade differently today than I normally trade during obvious times. So, you know. Oh, man, that was good. Man, I'm starving. I haven't eaten. I think it's going to come back down. Let's see what happens. I just put my orders. We'll see what happens. See if I get hit again. Let's see what this one is. Oh.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
They call it, in theory, I guess it's called grid trading. You know. What, where you just buy and then sell? I don't know. I mean, I'm just playing the range. I mean, what's the difference if I just place buys, you know? I'm just placing buys where the buys are. I mean, I normally don't trade like this if you've been on the stream, but you know, this is what's working today is buying in a range and then just selling the pop. So in crypto, I've done it like that, Matt. So in crypto, you could set up grid trading in like Mexi, and you could set up how far the grids are and everything, and you can make it super excessive. Super excessive, where it's just back and forth, back and forth. That's where I've done it. I've done it like that since. So I used to use Qcoin back in 2017, 18, I think it was. And this is how I traded crypto, but they did it auto for you. I didn't have to do anything. Yeah, grid trading. Yeah. So typically on the NQ, this is not what I would be doing. It's just this is what's going on today. But this is so basically in Qcoin, you would pick an entry and you would just put it and then you get filled on the way down. And even when you get filled on the way down, the ones you bought here would sell here and it would just be like one massive grid. Yeah, it was profitable. The big thing was you wanted to get in chop where it was back and forth a lot. When you got back and forth action, it was just buying and selling constantly. I mean, this is nothing new. They've been doing this type of trading has been like if the prop firms are banning it, it's been around for fucking ages. But yeah, grid trading. I'm waiting for a move down to fill me again and then come back up. Was it profitable? Yeah, it was profitable. I don't know if I answered you. But yeah, Qcoin is what I used. Mexi does it now also. MEXC. You don't want to do grid trading when it's moving one way. Because if it's moving one way, you're going to make less money with grid trading. You're better just playing the trend. But if you get in a choppy market, this is what works. Oh, man. My kids are getting fucking yelled at. I'm on the 5 fucking minute chart. There we go. Dude, I was on the 5 minute chart. I didn't even realize it. This is probably so on a normal day, you see how you get this sweep under here and then back up? I would take that trade every single day, by the way. That trade is the money trade for me. A sweep below and come back through. I was on the fucking 5. Oh, anybody got questions? I'm going to run the fucking ducks because at some point I'm going to have to just freaking exit. So we're going to run the ducks right now. Just throwing it out there. Duck race, duck race. So if you didn't know, we do these giveaways every single day. If you want to join, come fucking hang out. Oh, find select replace. In order to be added, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And we're about to have some fun. Yo, Chris. I know it's a sucky ass market, trying to have some fun with everybody. You know, just trying to have some fun before everybody goes and has their food and whatnot. I think if we can get back over 303, 305, it's probably going to take it to the upside. So we're going to run 2 duck races, and then the winners are going to play each other. That's how it usually goes. Winners are going to play in the turkey race. So let's have some fucking fun. I got sucked into bringing Mayor of Kingstown. Yo, I gotta watch that show, Chris. Oh, who do we got? Who do we got? Look at these. Quack, quack. Quack, quack, baby. Turkey. Turkey for me. Turkey for you. You can eat turkey in the big brown shoe. I gotta watch it. Oh, shit. Sean C. I'm 3'10". What is it? 3'9". I'm the JOE to the C. Oh. Call me JOC. What is it? The puppy one? No, not Alzheimer's. Nah, I had to yeah, well, my kids are fucking doing some shit in the other room. I don't know what they're doing. We're back. Nah, usually I run a cord into my. I'm usually not on Wi-Fi, but today I'm on fucking Wi-Fi because everything is going on. I have 1 gig. I just don't have it today, so it is what it is. Yeah, I'm usually on 1 gig. Quackity quack. Reboot. Yo. Did you see? Anybody see who won? Yo, it was Billy Joe won. Billy Joe won. Is Billy on here? Billy Joe. Is he on here, though? If he's not on here, I got to run it again. Yeah. Dude, I'm keeping it reals. Here, I'll run it again, but I got to put Billy Joe in. He really won. I'll run it again, though. I'll run it again, but he's got to be in. He actually won. Here you go. You didn't see the Frozen race? I'm not going to lie to you. You know, I'm not going to lie. If he fucking won. Yo, I think it's the sheer amount of ducks on this fucking website is what happens. Well, this is what happens when you got fucking your kids home and I can't run a wire into my. Yo, is David here? Oh, man, my stomach is. It's something on that website. It's something with this website that bogs it down when you run a lot of fucking ducks. They probably didn't code the website correctly, is what I would guess. And it just, there's probably scripts running in the background that just eat up well, fuck him. No, I'm just joking. I actually like him. I'm just messing around. Yeah, I'll probably have to do something like that because watch. When you run less, it works. Wait. Yo, there you go. Bro. I think I'm running too much shit on my computer, to be honest with you. Cove, you asked, yeah, yo, how are you getting 200? How are you getting 200? Wi-Fi 7? Bro, your turkey smoked. Yo, David won. Yo, shoot me an email. Yeah, it's that website. It's definitely something to do with the website. Every time I fucking run that website, it just crushes it. I don't know why. Yo, we're finally getting this push out of this, by the way. Yo, what's gold doing? Which contract is it? Yo, which contract is gold right now? Oh, here it is. Dude, gold's not even really moving around. Look at gold. Gold's in a $10 range. Yeah, well, I know. No, I know that, but there's different, like, it's, yeah, G. G is what I was looking for. Yeah. Just so you know, you have to be out of, in Lucid, you have to be out of all your trades at 12:45, guys. So you can't be in your trades. I don't know what's going to happen if you're stuck in your trades. You might lose the account. I don't know what the deal is, but if Lucid is like that, there's probably other prop firms that are like that too. That you got to be out by that time. I just want to let you know. I don't want you to be stuck. I know my funded futures usually closes you out. I've been sitting in this fucking one all day. I've been hanging in this one. It sucks. Yo, what up, BK? Yo, enjoy the day, Monet. Yeah. This is rough. Tomorrow's going to be better. Tomorrow's going to be a lot better. I mean, it was literally, we'll just call it 90. It was basically a 15-point range all day. I don't want to get hit with, I don't want to lose the account. I don't want to lose the account because I'm in something. I know my funded futures I think they auto close you. But, all right, boys and girls. By the way, I'm going to keep updating this of any Black Friday prop firm deals. I'm going to let that ride in there. I'll add to it tonight as other firms drop more deals. Hopefully somebody does something good for tomorrow. If you're new here, hopefully subscribe and we'll see you tomorrow or the next day. Oh, and then my network card is connected to 4 and 10. What the fuck? Yo, Ange, with all that shit, are you growing like a second dick or something? I feel like that would change things. Feels like a lot of stuff. I don't know. That seems like a lot of stuff next to me all day. I get one. So I plug my computer in. I get 1 gig connection. And that's usually fine, except for today. Yo, if you want to come hang out, we stream the morning every morning starting Monday in the Discord. Just letting you guys know. We'll be but yeah. I'll be back streaming tomorrow if you guys are around. Usually trading's a lot more excited. Today kind of sucks, but I'll be back. Tomorrow's going to be better. I'm going to go get dressed. I got to go run out for Thanksgiving. I appreciate everybody that was in here. By the way, I'm going to leave you with, you know what I got to leave you with? I got it. I got it right here for you. Something special. Something special that you knew people had never seen before. All right. Enjoy your day, everybody. I will see you guys tomorrow. If you're not back tomorrow, I'll see you on Monday. And we'll be streaming the Open in the Discord and then YouTube around 10:30. Peace!
I'm a train that get spinning the wheel, chasing the charts.
Yo, it's gonna stick in your head.
It doesn't burn no fire in me, only numbers light my ecstasy. Do not come, do not come. I'm gonna come when the market runs. Billions and billions stack the sum. Life's a race and I've already won. Dark races running with coupon codes. Cover traders, secret unlocks the load. Fortunes flip on a dime, they say double down and live for today. Do not come, do not come. I'm gonna come when the market runs. Billions and billions stack the sum. Life's a race and I've already won.
Later.